my beautiful family. Welcome, good morning, good afternoon here in Canada. So today I have here my red toast. You saw how I prepared it, right guys? Bread toast. So making it total of 4 slices of bread, and I have here my milk and chocolate. So while we are gisting, we'll be munching this and you guys can join me, So if today is your first time to visit my channel, you're highly welcome. We love you in this family, okay? My name is Ije One. You can call me Ije for short. Please click on the subscription button, give this video a thumbs up, okay? I love you all. So let's dive into the video for today. Hello guys, so on today's video I'll be gisting you guys. Ichoko. So have you guys had any experience here, those of us living in the Western world, abroad, US, all these developed countries, and they just took the electricity, the hydro, we call it hydro here in Quebec, hydro Quebec. So have you had this experience where you were maybe sleeping or watching television? It happens mostly in Africa, in Nigeria where I came from. You might just be watching TV or doing something and the electricity will just go up here, and we already know like it's a normal thing, like we already used to it. But coming over here in Canada, we are just 3 months, we're still enjoying the Canadian life. Electricity is always 247, and in this fateful day, what happened? Guys, let me eat first. So it was like, let's say 2 a.m. or 2 a.m. in the morning at night, right? I was pregnant. I don't know, maybe I woke up to use the bathroom. I woke up to use the bathroom, and then immediately I opened my eyes, everywhere was in total darkness. I was shocked. I was like, hey, has the rapture taken place? What did happen? This is not Nigeria now. Hey, what happened? Everywhere was dark, and outside too, everywhere was dark, because the traffic light that normally gives light into the house at night like that, everything went off. Guys, have you experienced total darkness everywhere? So immediately I touched my husband. I say, hey, miss you, there's total darkness everywhere. Waiting happen. Are we still in Canada or waiting? He got up. He said, we were surprised, like we were shocked. We had to, do like blind people, gradually go into the living room to go and get our phone, because we don't normally sleep with our phones in the bedroom. Once we are ready to go sleep, we keep in our phones, probably charging it in the living room and go to bed. So we blindly went, got our phones. We had to put on our phones flashlight, because here in abroad there's always light 247, right? So there was no need for us buying torchlights or buying candles or buying kerosene lamp just like in Nigeria. So we don't have any of these at home, nothing, only our phone's torchlight. We are still wondering what happened, how could this happen? There should be a notice normally. So we had to call our janitor, that's the caretaker of the building. We called him. We said, sir, everywhere is dark, what happened? We didn't know what this. He said, yes, there was a notice at the entrance of the door, right? There's a notice there that says they will take line, like the hydro, the electricity will go off. They will be off Nepa within 2 a.m. that day up until 10 a.m. in the morning. And we were like, oh, we didn't see this. So when we were done with the caretaker, I just sat with my husband. Because the whole scenario is still somehow to us. Even our daughter was already crying. People say we were just holding her there, and gradually we just decided to put on our torchlight, our phone torchlight, to give us some light, right? So we managed to sleep back again, and let's say 5:30, 6 o'clock, we woke up. The day is bright, the natural sunlight is already coming in and stuff. We said, okay, at least it's almost done. So guys, then it dawned on us. So we had to prepare our daughter for the daycare, and we need to put in her lunch. So this particular daycare she was attending, then they don't give food at the daycare, unlike some other majority of daycares here. The school is the one that gives the child snack in the morning, that's fruit, lunch in the afternoon, and then snack again in the evening, right? So guys, let me warm the food I have in the microwave. No electricity, right? Let me cook a new food. One, the electric range you are using, it uses electricity. We cannot even cook new food. We cannot even warm the one we have already. Guys, it was something else. The tap was not running. The water no run too. So guys, all this thing, being pregnant then with this my little child, everything was just all over our head. I was so uncomfortable. I was feeling irritated, like I was just so angry. I know someone will be saying, yeah, where you come from in Nigeria, do you always have light and stuff? Yes, we don't have electricity 24/7 in Nigeria, right? But at least we function a lot, like we can function perfectly well without electricity. You can cook your food, with kerosene, with firewood, with gas. You can cook your food without electricity. You can warm your food. You can do a lot of things, like there's even a generator. Because I know some area they don't even have light as far as 3 months or 2 months or 1 month or once a week, you understand? So we function with generator. We can charge our phones, use our fridge, freezers, do a whole lot of living with generators, or even without generator. People survive, right? But here you cannot do anything without a generator. You cannot use your Wi-Fi internet without this electricity, right? Because you have to have electricity. The water works with electricity. You have to cook with electricity. Everything you do here in the developed country, you need electricity. So 1 hour without electricity is a lot, because here you work mostly with computers and stuff. Without electricity, how would you work? A lot of things, they're technical and everything. Guys, that morning I was just so down. I can't even cook. We have to just bring out our bread from the fridge, trying to eat anything just to wait till then. We had to even prepare and go out. My husband ran out to a nearby shop to get drinking water for us while we are waiting. Guys, it's funny now, but then I didn't find it funny. Being new immigrant, you're still trying to adjust into the system, knowing things, and then this happened. And not just that they took electricity, I can't even do everything without this electricity. Guys, it was something else. So guys, please let me know in the comment section. Are you living in the Western world, US, Australia, where they have electricity 24/7? Have you had this experience where there was abrupt like hydro, like up Nepa in Nigeria, they just take light? Have you had that situation? Have you had that scenario? How did you do it? How did you cope? How did you manage? Guys, at the point I was like asking my husband, are you sure we are still in abroad? And the village people don't come carry us go back to Nigeria? We don't know. Guys, and the thing is that they gave this notice. The notice was actually at the entrance of the building, but this area we live in, Quebec, they are mostly French speaking part of Canada, right? So that announcement was written in French. And when I'm coming into the building, or my husband, because we don't understand more of French, like we hardly understand lots of French, we might see this notification and they'll just pass it, right? We will not understand what it says and stuff like that. And being just 3 months into the country, we don't even know if we should take this notice and then browse the meaning in English and stuff. So it was not easy, guys. It was not funny. But right now, when I remember all those things, I just laugh. But then because I didn't believe it. I've always known that abroad, light 247, they can never ever take light in abroad, that kind of stuff. When this happened to me, I was like, wow, okay. So guys, tell me your experiences on the comment section. Have you had this experience? How did you take it? How did you cope? If you've not subscribed to my channel, please kindly click on the subscription button below. Okay, turn on the notification bell, you know that bell icon beside the subscribe button. Click on it so that whenever I put up a new video, you get notified, right? I love you all. Give this video a thumbs up. I love you all, my beautiful family. You see, we are growing, right? This family is growing, moving to the permanent site. Thank you guys very much for coming back to watch my videos. I love you all, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye.